previous episode, we had to sneak into one of Palermo's most luxurious hotels to get some water. After waiting until the afternoon, we were finally allowed to enter the marina so we would have an easier way of getting into town. I'm Marius, a 21-year-old captain of sailing vessel Tranquility, an old aluminium sailboat which I just bought with the intention of sailing it around the Med before heading back home to Norway. In Norway, the boat will undergo major changes, one of which will be rebuilding the entire interior of the boat from scratch, filling it with cozy interior, insulation and a wood-fired stove. Join me and all the crew if you want to see what life is like sailing the Med on a tight budget. You listen to what it says, okay? So now that we're actually at the harbor where we can throw out trash, I'm gonna get rid of this, or not the entire wall, but only this. Look at these beautiful windows.
Did I show you my shampoo, Jessica?
Feels like a new boat. We just left the harbor and now we are filled with water and food and everything we need. We're just sailing to the beach over there to anchor again to save some cash, and then we're gonna go into town and stay here one day more, and then maybe tomorrow go to Cefalu, which is like this really beautiful town.
Get lost in the ocean.
Yeah.
That's so much work.
Yeah, it is from that position.
It's going.
More?
It's gonna get tangled. There you go.
I don't know if I would call this lazy or just stupid.
Yeah, you're probably.
Because you're using more force than you need, so it's not lazy. Yeah, yesterday we had to climb up a rock wall and then we went into this 5-star hotel. How expensive was it, Carl, to stay there one night?
It was 950 euros.
950 euro a day hotel with a pool and everything.
Yeah, that expensive. I checked it Google. What did you do today? Did you just chill in the pool or did you go to the spa as well?
No, I should chill. I thought about going to the spa.
Yeah, we checked it out, but it was like.
But I thought I can let my crewmates do all the work while I go to the spa.
Wait, you let us do all the work while you sat at the pool.
That would be such a. Yeah, but it's like the pool, like the spa. It's not the same thing.
But there was like piss and everything. But I guess you could have walked in or something.
Yeah. You know what I like about these places is that they are discreet, you know?
You were dressed more like a tourist than you were, you fit in more with.
What?
You fit in better with the people around. He had like backpacks, and you had a Hawaiian shirt and a fanny pack. He looked like.
We looked homeless, and you looked.
Yeah. You looked ready for a day at the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought of saying Carl to bring my swimming trunks, but
You never went in the pool?
no, I didn't go in because I didn't have my swimming trunks. I thought, well, maybe I'll just go in my underwear. I don't think other people will like that, you know?
No.
These kind of places.
Just go naked.
Go skinny dipping in a 5-star hotel, 1,000 euros a night. Super popular.
Look, we're totally gonna make it past the wall. I will pass you the piss-covered things, and you can put them outside.
Yeah, nice.
We're trying to repair the toilet.
What am I supposed to do with these? Just
put it on the platform and like rinse it in the salt water or something. It's just the bottom of it was sitting on the.
Trying to rinse the toilet and or fix the toilet, and now the entire floor is filled with piss, fermented urine, and now they're gonna clean it. I did a lot of work. I did the 2 hours of work. I'm not lazy. Don't think that. And now we're going to town afterwards. And I think I know the solution to the toilet. We need to get to town before everything closes. So gonna have a nice afternoon cleaning or trying to fix the toilet. It's actually not gonna be that bad when it's cleaned. It's gonna be more pleasant working on it.
You guys make me feel so unsafe.
I was a victim.
Get some good paddling footage. Can you sit more to the left?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, amigo. Man and you sure they didn't say Osman? Sweden? Yeah, but I think it's like your country, like the Ottoman.
I was up all night tonight, or half the night, just watching the boat because it's blowing really much. Not now, but it was sometimes during the night. But now we're gonna raise the anchor and we're gonna fly to Cefalu, down with sailing. So I'm ready, guys, when you are.
We're sailing. It's really windy. Autopilot Carl here is not steering us so well, and everyone else is going to sleep except Marius is too excited now to sleep. But yeah,
Show them how much sail we have up and downwind conditions. How fast are we going this again?
like 5.3 knots a while ago. Maybe that's still accurate. Carl, stop being so bad at steering.
I just had a sleep for like 3 hours while Jessica was steering.
And now it's my turn.
We're still going downwind at about 5 knots. The seas are really comfortable right now. They're pretty high, but they're really comfortable. And we're sailing with a reef to Noah downwind. It's so funny when you go downwind, you feel like there's no wind. Oh no, oh no, oh no! Brace for impact! Ah, okay. What the hell? I'm just hiding down here.
Oh shit.
That was the smallest one of the tree. We're above 2 meters, guys. I think we're on a 3, maybe 4 meter scale.
You think like 3 meters or?
Yeah, those were at least 3. They were like way bigger at the moment. What? It was like a 4 meter wave coming over us. I don't know, 3 or 4, somewhere between there, I think. How is it going, Diego?
Ah, it's not bad.
Cooking in 3 meter high seas.
We are preparing lunch. So hopefully we'll be ready before we arrive to Cefalu.
Yeah, we're soon there.
Chicken, mushrooms, some spices. I'm gonna put we're gonna put some cream. We're gonna eat that with Jessica's potatoes. It's gonna be a good meal.
We anchored up the boat on the other side of Cefalu, where we ended up rowing into land and taking a walk around town. Yeah, it has to be.
It is the place.
It is the place, yeah.
We'll just have to take that picture too.
Kira had originally gotten off the boat in Castellamare, but she decided to take the train in to Cefalu to meet us one last time. There's apparently this river flowing through Cefalu, and Romans built a bath in the city center. I felt a bit tired and needed some time for myself. I walked back to the dock where Tranquility was anchored and sat down at the quay to have a phone call with my parents. While I was talking to them, the winds kept increasing, and I suddenly saw Tranquility start moving away from me towards the rocks. I leapt into the dinghy and started to paddle for my life to reach her before she reached the rocks. So, I was talking to my parents over there, and then I saw my boat started to drag, and it almost dragged to these rocks. I just immediately jumped in the dinghy and started rowing, and it got halfway to the rocks before I catched it, and it was really impossible to row in these conditions. Now I just dragged off the anchor after driving with the anchor, and now I'm gonna try to get to the anchor spot and drop the anchor again. And it's super windy, so I'm super glad I went back to the city. So I saw that, and I'm supposed to be in the rocks right now. It's super scary. Stuck now, finally. So we dragged quite a bit before it sat, and it might start dragging again soon, probably. Here comes another boat. Oh, it's crazy how much wind it is. And I don't dare turn off the engine now, just want to run it and keep it on. And when I'm gonna get the other people, that's also gonna be scary. I'm gonna check the weather forecast, grab some water, and then maybe I'll dare turn off the engine after 5 minutes of me sitting. I'm not gonna reverse. I'm happy with the anchor sitting right now. I don't think it's gonna be worse than this. If it is, I'm gonna turn on the engine again. Oh man. What a beautiful lifestyle, eh? Love the wind. I need a better anchor. But this is also really bad holding here. Oh no, I think I'm dragging again. 30 knots of wind right now. As always, not the forecast at all. 15 meters per second. Yeah, exactly. This one broke. Ah, can't see. This one is broken, and I kind of can't fix it right now. I hate this solar arch so much. And this other sailboat decided to park next to me, like right next to me. If I'm gonna drag right into them. But what can you do? It just said 37 knots. 37. That's like almost a storm in the Trows. That's not so unusual. I'm sitting here and watching the charts just to see if I move. It's way more pleasant sitting inside and watching than outside. I need to get the guys. They're waiting for me at the pontoon, but I just told them that I can't because the wind, when I was getting the boat, I couldn't turn the dinghy. Like, I only rowed on starboard side to go forward. I didn't have to row anywhere else. I just rowed starboard, but it didn't turn the boat. I tried really hard in the end when I had to turn port to get to the boat. I tried so hard and I barely made it to catch the boat. I'm not gonna be able to row upwind, and that's what I have to do to get them. It feels pretty shit, because now they're just sitting out in the very strong weather. Right now it's not blowing so much. If this keeps up, I might just go get them. So it's 2 hours later now. I've almost fallen asleep 6 times, or maybe I've been a bit asleep, I don't know. I've just had my phone on charging, wireless charger, and just watched it with the anchor alarm. Just check the wind out, and right now, you can't see it. Right now it's blowing 25 knots, but that's the maximum. Now it's going down again. So now it's, instead of being between 35 and 25, it's now between 25 and 15. Yeah. So I am going to jump in the dinghy and row for my life towards the shore. Get one of the guys, then they're gonna go and get the 2 other ones, and I'm gonna sleep. Oh no, the wind is stronger. I think I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, now it's last update for the night. I got Jessica and Diego. I had to paddle like my life depended on it, quite literally. If I didn't paddle enough, I would get blown into sea. Yeah, I got a really proper workout. I was just able to paddle faster than the wind, so, or not the wind, but like it took me about 15 seconds from I let go of the boat till I had paddled back to the boat. And yeah, I had to paddle with every strain of my body just to move forward. And it was only a 100-meter paddle, but it was extremely hard. But I just managed to make it, and got them. And the paddle back was easy, which I basically didn't do anything. And now they are going to get Carl. And the winds are now at between 18 and 22 knots. So now it's calm, the anchor will sit, I'm not worried at all. So I'm gonna go back to bed now.